Hello everyone, today I will make a video introduction for my company's new MDVR product. The model name is QH8102S. This is a gorgeous product and I have one in my hand now. Let's see the packing box. You can get to know a few features. Support 1080p video recording, GPS, 4G, Wi-Fi, all these functions included. Let's unboxing it and see the details of this device. See this device. See this device. The ID design very beautiful, and I think how to install it inside the car. See, this is 3M adhesive. You can see how to install it inside the car in this video later. I think it should be pasted on it the front windshield like this. Okay, this is front camera, front camera, yes, front camera. This is rear camera. The front camera for the road view, the rear camera for the driver view. And the two cables come out from this device. Let's see the detail. The first one here. The first one, camera 1, camera 2. It can be connected to external cameras and have 4 3. Let's see what is the text. Oh, RX and TX. This device support RS232 protocol, and this is a power source. Okay, let's see another cable, 89. Let's see another cable. Let's connect another extension cable like this. Yeah. It can be achieved to more peripheral connections. And this place designed a card door. Let's open it with the tools. Okay. We can see 3 card slots, 2 for TF card, 1 for SIM card. Every TF card slot supports 256 GB storage capacity. Okay, clear. I want to focus on this thin thread again. Not this thin lines, because it will relate to some critical functions like ADAS and IO alarm. For example, see the mentioned TX and RX lines. It supports RS232 protocol. See this for ACC. CVBAs connect to the monitors. See the sensor in 2, in 1. The sensor lines can realize the I/O alarm function. This function can detect some behaviors of drivers. For example, when the driver turns right, turn left, and have a shock brake, it will be detected and recorded. All this behavior also be recorded by CMSV6 platform. At the same time, the platform would send a message to the computer and mobile phone. If accident happened, we can track all the process. What the device and us? Okay, let's see the actual performance of this device.